How to delete a emo account from iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to permanently delete an emo account from your iPhone, then here's how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to delete the emo account, you just open up the emo app from your iPhone, and from the emo homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Now once you're here inside the profile, simply go and tap on the settings option here. Now once you're here inside the settings, go and tap on account and security. Go ahead and tap on these, and at the bottom you'll get to see the option delete emo account. Simply go and tap on this one, and this will record your phone passcode if you have set it up before. So I'm gonna enter the phone passcode. This is the warning of deleting your account, so just go and tap on apply to delete. Now once you tap on this, go ahead and select a reason why you are deleting your account. So I'm going to select one of the reason from here, and once you do that, you'll get to see the continue to delete option. You can tap on continue to delete. Now you actually have to enter your phone number, and once you have entered the phone number, you just need to go ahead and tap on the next button right here, and this will send a verification code, verify your account, and then go and tap on delete button, and your account will be permanently deleted. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.